Hi there, this is Armand with Plumbing Dudes performing a sewer inspection property located at 2907 South Bentley Avenue, Los Angeles, California 90064. Today is May 5th and time is 1:30 p.m. Here we are, we scoped the camera through the clean out in the backyard all the way out to the city connection. As you can see, the view right now is the city saddle. We're going to go ahead and retract the camera and record the sewer main line combination of ABS plastic, which is new, and then we have the clay, which is original to the house. As you can see, this is the saddle. We go to saddle as the connection between the house line and the city line, which is in the back alley. We do have tree roots that penetrated through the connections of the saddle, as you can see on your right. Those are all tree roots, and then those are slightly little larger roots. And as you can see, they do catch on some solid waste, toilet papers and whatnot. On your left, you see toilet paper collected. So it is time to hydrojet this line and clear the roots off of the line. Obviously, the repair on this line is highly recommended, so you don't have any more issues. You can check with the for proper estimates on how much would it cost to do the repairs. And as you can see, the line itself has some build-ups, so hydrogetting will be a good idea over here. This is the the connection between the plastic ABS and the clay. As we said, the plastic is newer piping. Check the records and permits on that work. The line itself is kind of a flat, that's why we have some build-ups in the bottom of the pipe. The water, collects in the bottom of the pipe just due to not having enough slope in the line itself. Obviously, throughout the years, the build-up will become stronger and it starts catching on solid waste more and more. So, I would suggest to get a hydrojet done on this line right now. Kind of flush all the build-ups from the bottom of the pipe, and at the same time get rid of the roots. I would suggest to check the records and see when was the last time the line was jetted, so this way you can kind of establish a timeline. According to what I'm seeing, probably being on a hydrojet service every 2 to 3 years could be a good idea. Hydrojetting is not a permanent repair, it's more temporary solution. And this area right here is pretty much the clean out in the backyard. We do have a pretty bad negative slope in this area. As you can see, the camera is in the water. That means the line is retaining water due to a negative slope. And here we are, this is the bottom of the clean out. As you can see, water just sitting in the bottom. Correction on this section is highly recommended to create a proper slope and drainage. And this will conclude our sewer main line inspection right here on this property. And this is the clean out that we split the line from. There's another clean out further down in the backyard, closer to the alley.